Welcome to Lagniappe, a program about events, issues, and people. I'm Corey Crow. I'm here with Kathy Agan and Marquay Russell. They're both extension agents with the LSU Ag Center. Welcome. Thanks for being with us today on Lagniappe.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, it's good to see you both. And you've got an exciting event coming up called, you calling it a learning lab. And I need this to learn to cook better, right?
That's right.
Kathy, tell me all about this. What's going on?
All right, well, we are having a learning lab, kind of like how when you took a class that was a lab in school, it was very interactive and hands-on. That's what we want this to be. And it's for all levels of home cooks, whether you're wanting to learn to cook or if you're an experienced cook, we want to have something for everybody.
The only learning lab I remember is when we dissected a frog. This isn't anything like that, is it?
No.
Okay. This is going on at the LSU Ag Center, which is right there on Cypress Street, kind of close to the bridge in West Monroe. And April 26th, which is a Friday night, 5:30 to 7:30. This could be a big date night for people.
It could. We want it to be a fun event, a great way to end your week. You can come out and learn some skills, try some food samples. It's really going to be interactive and hands-on, and you'll get some free recipes, all kinds of good info, and then you can just cook all weekend.
Marquay, I have a feeling you're trying to get me to eat healthier, right?
I am, and I feel that when they attend these types of classes and they learn these skills, cooking skills, you'll tend to want to cook at home, and then that way you will eat healthier.
This is going to be an event that you need to register for, but it's absolutely free, right?
It is. There's no cost, but we do need you to register ahead of time so we will know how many supplies to purchase because it is going to be very hands-on and interactive. We're going to be eating, and so we need to plan appropriately. So we want people to register ahead of time, but no cost.
This is going to be a free event. You can register by going where?
You can go to our Facebook page, which is LSU Ag Center, Ouachita Parish, and there's a Facebook event there. You can click on that and get the link, or you can call our office, and our number is 318-323-2251, and just let us know you want to register for the Learning Lab.
All right, Marquay, let me get into what we're going to be learning. The first one I see is knife skills.
Yes, we have actually our coworker, Quincy Verdreen. She is actually a chef, and she is going to come and demonstrate some knife skills and teach them the different tasks, cutting skills, some safety, caring of your knives, and even how to, when you're trying to choose knives to cook with. Some of the better types of knives.
Well, that sounds like that's going to be worth the price of admission right there, free.
Yes.
And learn how to properly handle knives. All right, Kathy, one I'm always interested in is ways to make life easier in the kitchen. You've got a section on kitchen hacks.
Yes. And I'm with you. I want it to be quick and easy, especially on a weeknight. So we're going to learn some hacks and things that will make it fast, easy to prepare, some really fun things. We're going to do some different things that you've not done before. For example, one of the things we're going to do is show you some ways you can use your waffle maker in ways other than making waffles.
Well, that sounds like a lot of fun. And small appliances, you're going to talk about air fryers. Now, that was all the rage last year. Everybody bought an air fryer, and right now that air fryer is just sitting in their cabinet. They hadn't used it in a year.
Well, I'm going to help them how to use that air fryer. Some easier ways to use it. Air fryer can be used in multiple ways, and that's one thing about using these small appliances. Will make things easier for you in the kitchen. And I want to go into talking a little bit of the pros and cons of maybe why using a slow cooker or when to use a slow cooker versus an air fryer. And then our electric pressure cooker. Those are new, and that's been out for several years, but it's still popular, and a lot of people own them.
I think some people are scared of pressure cookers.
They are really safe if you know how to use them, and that's some things I'll talk about. It's some safety and properly using those appliances.
All right, so we're going to talk about the pros and cons of slow cookers, air fryers, pressure cookers. You come out to the event, I understand there are prizes.
Yes, we will have some door prizes, and we also, as part of our kitchen hacks, are going to play a little bingo game. So you've got to have bingo prizes. So again, we want it to be a fun event that everybody can enjoy, learn lots of things, but have a really good time doing it.
Okay, this isn't just go and watch somebody do this. You're going to get dirty and you're going to cook, right?
That's right. That's right. Come prepared to get involved and to actually cook with us and learn as we go.
What are some of the things you're going to be making at this?
Well, we're going to make some waffle omelets. So we'll be using that waffle maker to make an omelet. We'll also be, again, with the knife skills, we'll be cutting different vegetables. You'll have your little baggie that you can take home then to use in another recipe. And we're going to make charcuterie boards using the 5 food groups of My Plate from USDA. Yes.
Now, you can find out about this at LSU Ag Center, Ouachita Parish. That's the Facebook page. Yes. Marquet, tell me about what else is coming up. After you get through this April 26th event, you guys are always hopping. What's coming up?
We are trying, we have gotten a grant, and we are trying to spruce up the Brian E. Smith Park that's located in West Monroe. It's like a little pocket park there in a neighborhood. And we're planning on doing some stenciling and painting. So we're going to be looking for some volunteers to come out and help us with that.
And what else is going to be happening, Kathy?
We also are doing some playground stenciling at a local elementary school, and so we'll need volunteers for that as well. So if you like to paint or you need some community service hours, we would love to have you get involved, and you can just call our office, 318-323-2251, and we will definitely get you hooked up with some volunteer opportunities.
You can straighten out my yard too, right? It's all full of weeds right now.
Well, I can't, but my coworker sure can. Kerry Hefner is our horticulture agent, and he does an awesome job of helping the community when they have landscaping or lawn issues, and he's always happy to come out and help any way he can.
Yes.
For folks to find out more about the upcoming Learning Lab, April 26, 5:30 to 7:30, they need to register. Where do they go?
Go to Facebook and look for LSU Ag Center, Ouachita Parish, and you will find the event link. It's pinned at the top in our featured section, and you can click right there or just give us a call, 318-323-2251 if you're not on Facebook.
That's Kathy Agan and Marquet Russell. Find out more at KEDM.org.